cloud models. Number 1. Public cloud. A public cloud is owned by the cloud services provider, who is also called as a hosting provider. In this case it could be Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. The cloud provider is a service provider, and they provide resources and services to multiple organizations and users. Second, private clouds. When we think about the term cloud, it always doesn't mean that it's with a third-party provider. It could be within your organization as well. Private clouds are owned and operated by companies that uses the resources from that cloud. The organizations or enterprises will create their own cloud environment with their own data center. That means the resources, hardware, storage, and everything else that's required to make a cloud is within the data center of the enterprise. Hybrid clouds. The last one is hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud combines both public and private cloud environments, and that means that hybrid clouds will allow you to run your applications in most appropriate location. An example of hybrid cloud usage scenario would be hosting a website in public cloud and linking it to your highly secure database, hosted in your private cloud infrastructure. Hybrid cloud scenarios are very useful when organizations have some things that they do not want to put on public cloud.